Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission to complete 5-3, part 3, slope intercept form. Okay, we reach. Remember, my boys, this is the slope y-intercept form. Okay, so our lesson or how to use this equation, linear equation, to find out to write the equation from two order pairs, for example, or from the graph. Okay, many exercises we did it in part 1 and in part 2. Now let us use the slope and the y-intercept to graph each equation. So he determined us. Okay, he asked us to use the slope and the y-intercept to graph. Before, when we graph any linear equation, we use a table, if you remember, like this. Okay, and we do a table like this. Yes, we put x and y. We get the x values from our head or from our mind. Okay, and we substitute those values in the equation. We get the y. Okay, we get the y, we create the order pairs, and we done. Okay, but here he asks us to do it by using slope by intercept. Okay, so let us start. In the first equation here, y equal 7 minus 3x. First of all, in slope and the y-intercept, I learn my student. I know my students how to find out the m and the b. The b, the y-intercept, which is the number that coming alone in the equation. But after you have to check the equation if the y alone and b in one side. Yes, in this case I can take the m and the b easily. So this is the m, yes, negative 3, and this is the b, which is the number that come alone. This is 7. Yes, it is 7. Yes, okay. Now the 7 is the number or where the line hit the y-axis, and this is the y-axis, my dear student. This is the y-axis. Okay, and the equation told me the line will hit the y-axis in the 7, so I count 7. Okay, it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So the line will hit the y-axis here. Okay, great. But actually I need another point, okay, to know the direction and the steepness of this line. Okay, I can get this from here, from the m. I know the slope is negative 3, and the negative 3 is rise over run. Yes, okay. So it is go down 3 and then move. Yes, this is rise. Okay, rise. And in this, because it is negative, my dear student, it is go down 3 steps, then move right 1 step. So I will move, or I will from where I have to do this, teacher? It is from the y-intercept. Okay, I will move down 3 steps because it is negative, and then move 1 step to the right. Okay, let's go. 1 2 3 step down and 1 step to the right. So I will move here. So the second point will be here. Again 3 step down and 1 step to the right. So the second point will be here. Okay, and I can now draw my line easily. Okay, But if I want to be more accurate, okay, I can keep working in the slope rise over run. I can move down 1, 2, 3 to the down and move one step to the right, so the second point will be here, or the third point will be here. Okay, but actually I need 2 points to graph any straight line. Okay, after that you connect the 3 points here. Okay, let me use another color, for example like this. So this is the straight line. Okay, this straight line represent this equation. Okay, is that clear? Okay, great. Now my dear student, what I ask you to do, every time you have equation, you have to make sure, if he asks you to write in the slope and the y-intercept, you have to make the y alone every time. For example, here 2y plus 4x equals 0. In this case, I cannot find the slope and the y-intercept. Yes, but I can make the equation in slope intercept form. Okay, by making the y alone. Yes, so I can subtract negative 4x from this side and negative 4x from this side. Okay, so this is deleted and this will be negative 4x. Okay, then I divide by 2, the y will be alone and happy here, and negative 4 over 2 equal negative 2. Now what is the slope, what is the y-intercept? The slope is negative 2 and the y-intercept is 0, so m is equal negative 2 and the b equal 0 because there is no number. Now how I can deal with this? Let's go. B equals 0, I know that the line will pass through the origin, yes? So the first point will be here. Okay, I will follow the map from the slope. I know it is go down 2 steps and move to the right 1 step. So 1, 2 to the down, and 1 step to the right. So this is the second point. Then you connect between them and you done, my dear student. So this graph represents 48. So regarding to my explanation, you need to prepare the equation to be in slope y-intercept. This is the first of all. You have to make sure about this. Secondly, you have to find out the slope and the y-intercept, the m and the b. The b where the line pass through, okay, and hit the y-intercept, the y-axis. Then you use the slope to know how the second point, yes, where is the second point, by using rise over run. So here in 50, now Ayman join me. Hello Ayman. Hello.
Hello.
Okay Ayman, can you tell me in 50 what I have to do in the first step, or can I ask you, is this slope y-intercept form?
No.
Like, okay, what you have to
let your y alone.
and
So
have it.
minus 6 at the left side and minus 6 at the
Oh,
right side.
great boy. So this is the equation actually. Okay. Now Ayman said we have to negative 6 here and negative 6 here. We know that this is the left side and this is the right side as we learned before, yes? So because of this, this will be gone and I will rewrite the negative 6 beside like this. Is that okay?
No, we have to make divided 3 at the left side.
Ayman said the y is not alone and heavy, so we need
Divided 3 at the left side and divided 3
so
here.
divided 3 here and divided 3 each term. Each term must divide it by 3. Be careful, this is very important. So when I divide by 3, the y alone and heavy here. The negative 2 over negative 2x over 3, I can rewrite it in this way, Ayman. See, negative 2 over 3. Okay, I can give the 3 for the negative 2 and it is work. Okay, and negative 6 over 3.
Negative 2.
So I replace this by negative 2. Yes. Now we are ready. Are you ready? What is m, Ayman?
M equal negative 2 over 3.
Great. That means in your head you have to move down 2 steps and
Left and right 3 steps.
And to the right 3 steps. Great. And what is b?
Negative 2.
Okay, that means the line will hit, yes,
Negative 2.
in negative 2. Bravo. Okay, let us. So where is negative 2? It is here. 1, or negative 1, negative 2. So it will hit in this place. Where the line will pass through this line in negative 2, which is here. Okay. And from this point, I can know where is the second point. What he said to me.
Negative 2, 3.
Negative.
Negative 2 down, negative.
From where?
From the point.
From here, yes. I have to move down 2 steps.
And
yes.
to the right 3 steps.
1, 2, and to the right 1, 2, 3. So the second point will be here. Okay. So I can just now connect them like this. Okay. Suppose it's a straight line. It is easy.
Yes.
Okay, my question for you, Ayman. Okay, my question for you. See, I have m equal here negative 2 and 3. And he said to me, move down 2 steps and to the right 3 steps. If I put the negative down, how we will move?
To the top 2 steps and to the left 3 steps.
You mean 2 steps up?
And 3 steps left.
Okay, let us try. Okay. You said 2 steps up, yes? 1, 2, and
3 steps right.
Right or left?
Right.
It is negative.
Negative starts with left.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3. So the second step here. Okay. Let me return back this. Okay. I will make it again like this. Now, 2 steps down and 3 steps
to the
right. From where? From the shadow. Yes, here, the yellow shadow. Okay, so I will move 1, 2 steps down and 1, 2, 3 steps up. You see? Just connect between them. So if you put the minus up or if you put the minus down, you have to follow the rules. The negative, if the negative up, here you have to move down, yes? And if the negative down, you have to move left, yes? The directions is very important. Okay, Ayman?
Yes.
Is it easy? Okay, Ayman, I challenge you on this question. 53. What is the first step you have to do? We are here, my dear student.
We can make a story.
Yes, al story. The first step you break the parentheses, yes? So it will be, so the equation, my dear student, we are here.
Negative 6x.
Yes, I will break it.
Minus 8.
Yes. So negative 2 multiply 3x is negative 6x negative 8 plus y equals 0. Then Ayman.
Minus y minus y.
Okay, no, why you don't move this package is better, yes? All this package, send it to the right side here, yes? Okay, and change the sign. Easy, yes?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Y equals
Okay,
6x plus 8.
bravo. So, what is m?
M equals 6 and
Mm-hmm.
V equals 8.
And b equal 6 means 6 over 1. That's mean rise 6 step up and move to the right 1. Yes, and b means
8 steps to the up.
yes, that's mean the line will hit
The y-axis and 8.
in 8. Yes, so here 8. Let me erase this point. No need. So this is the new point. This is 8, my dear student. So the line will pass through this for sure, yes, but we don't know the steepness of the line, so I need the second point. From where I get it?
What is M?
Yes, so I have to move 6 steps up and 1 to the right. Let's move. Oh my god, you see, 6 steps up, it will be here, yes, and 1 to the right, it will be like this. Okay, so let us estimate, yes. So 6 steps up, 6 steps up, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 to the right, that means it will be here, yes. So I will draw this. And the second point will be here, my dear student. So I connect between them by this line. You see, in this way. But it is not straight very well, so 1 to the right, it will be here. Here, connect them now. I try my best, sorry. Yes, this is good. Okay, my dear student, and let me extend the y-axis like this. Okay, so this the graph for this equation. Okay, my dear student, are you happy, Ayman?
Yes.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, and see you in the next lesson, inshallah. We finish 5-3 slope and y-intercept. I hope you get all the benefit from this videos, and see you later, my sweet alligators. Goodbye.